Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change Sweatcoin into Sweet Wallet. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your mobile device. If you aren't logged in yet, tap on Login and select Login with Google. Then choose your Google account and grant permission to access your physical activity data. After that, tap Skin when prompted. Then tap Yes please to proceed. Next, skip again to go to the next step. And then tap Set up my goal. Now, set up your goal by tapping Set up daily goal to customize it. After that, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store. Search for the Sweet Wallet app and install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Sweet Wallet app. When the Sweet Wallet app opens, tap on Continue with Google and select the same Google account you use for the Sweatcoin app. Then, tap Continue as username and tap on Continue with Sweatcoin to link your Sweatcoin account. Here, swipe through and check your email inbox for a verification message. Refresh the Gmail page if necessary. After that, go back to the Sweet Wallet app, tap Let's Start, and then tap Next. Now, to transfer your Sweatcoin balance, tap Open your wallet and then tap on Transfer. Select Sweet as type of transfer. Next, enter the username and address for the recipient and tap Continue. Finally, input the amount of Sweatcoin you want to transfer, then tap to complete the process. Now, your Sweatcoin will be successfully converted into the Sweet Wallet. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.